Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at SMT Nuremberg. I'd like to introduce you to Torsten Vegelahn from ECRA. Torsten, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us today. Now, we're at a trade show in Germany and you've got a number of solutions and products that you're showing at the show, but you're specifically responsible and a product manager for the Serio. Is it Serio in German? Is Serio English?
Yeah, we call it Serio.
Serio solution. Is it a solution? Tell us what it is.
Yes, thank you, Kim, to have me here, to give me the opportunity. Serio is a concept. It's a solution for our customers, and it's a concept replacing previous established machine series. It's called X3 and X4, which been the inline systems from the beginning to the mid-range. And with the new platform, we were looking to the customers, we really talked to them and got all the feedback, and we made a platform which allows us to scale it. Scaling means not changing the size of the machine, but changing the amount of options, of features the customers can use for their daily business. So you can start with a very core machine, with a basic machine, and you can add features as you need them. So you don't need your money, you don't need to spend your money today, you just spend the money by the time you need those options. And this gives a total new flexibility to our customers. Of course, we do have the ASYS platform, the X5 Professional, where you can also add features and options. But the machine concept itself is not prepared that you can do this everywhere, on every place, on customer side. It might be we have to take the machine out of the line for doing some upgrades of options. Not with the Serio platform. The design is made that we can do this on site. Not taking the machine out of production for more than a shift. Yeah. This was the target. And this is very much appreciated by the customers, that we can offer those flexibility, and they are more flexible with their investments.
I was going to say, it gives them a lot more control over their production cycles and the volumes that they're doing, and ultimately control over their investments.
Right.
Your slogan also is one that reflects growing with your customers or developing with your customers.
Yeah, we call it scale up.
Yeah.
And with this slogan, we just tell, or we'd like to tell the customer, you ramp up, you scale up with the machine, as you probably need to scale up your production, as you need to scale up your technology, whatever is needed. Mm-hmm. The machines are designed for high precision. That is not a problem, but we never know what's coming up next year. What our customers, automotive or medical customers, looking for in the next years. We try to look on those things with our technology machine, the X5 Professional. We have all the fancy bells and whistles, I think you call, in this thing. But is all of this needed for everyone? You never know that.
Yeah,
and this machine range is the high-end machine, is focused for automotive, for medical, and those kind of customers. But the mainstream, the ones really do a lot of changes, a lot of orders, high volume, low mix, high mix, low volume, whatever you want. This is the Serio 4000 platform. And going on in this development, we will introduce a dual lane machine in the end of the year. We will have the first machine going out to the field test mid of the year in June. And we will release the machine in our technology days in November.
Okay, so that's a new development to address specific markets or specific technologies, a development within the industry, or?
The market is changing actually. I mean, dual lane solutions are on the market since a long time. Very much in Asia, not as much in Europe, but we see that it's coming back to Europe as well. We do have dual lane solutions on the X5 Professional, especially for the automotive customers, but in the mid-range, this was not even a solution people were looking at. But today, it looks that we're coming to smaller PCBs, and we need a high flexibility and a high throughput, and people thinking also about their floor space. There are existing companies, and you cannot just add another meter on the building. So, but why not using a dual lane in the existing space, and you can increase your capacity by this solution.
Yeah. So to summarize, it offers flexibility, it offers scalability as the main driver of it, and ultimately control over your customers' investments and support throughout their life cycle, obviously, from you guys.
that is, it's one of the major points.
Yeah.
To keep the investment at the spot where you need it.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, we would like to sell a lot of options, but we like to have healthy customers.
Sure. Yeah.
That is on focus.
Excellent. Well, I'll let you get back to your customers who are no doubt waiting to get more information on the technical side. Thank you very much for taking the time here in Nuremberg, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much, Kim.
Thank you.
Thank you.